I ordered a new inverter off Amazon. I paid with it for my own money, and I'm gonna unbox it here and show you what it came with. In the box, it came with 4 cables, some fuses, a user manual, and a remote with some fuses. The inverter is packed in the box real well with foam. It's all protected with foam. And there's the inverter. It's a reliable brand, 2500 watt, 12 volts. There it is on the side. It has vents right here. It has holes right here so you can screw it down to your panel. On the back you have 2 fans plus your terminals, positive and negative. This side you have another vent and you have some more holes where you can screw it down. And here's the front. You have a display in it for your voltage, for your battery voltage and your AC voltage. You have an on-off switch, 2 AC receptacles, and this is so you can hardwire it to your own outlet. And I think this is line, ground, and neutral. On the back, or on the bottom, you just have a label. And a ground pin. Or a ground screw. It seems pretty good. And I'll test it out and I'll make another video. But there you go. There's the reliable 2500 pure sine wave inverter. Thank you for watching.